In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and securely use a new API key in Wrike. This video will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can smoothly integrate your applications with Wrike. To get started, open your Chrome browser. If you haven't already logged into your Wrike account, now's the time to do so. Enter your login credentials, and once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wrike dashboard. Now you need to access your profile settings. In most cases, you'll find an icon or your profile picture at the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select the settings option. This will take you to your profile settings page where you can adjust various aspects of your Wrike experience. Next, look for the API section. This might be labeled differently depending on updates or user interface changes, but it's usually straightforward to locate. It might be under a tab or section dedicated to API management, integrations, or similar terms. Once you're in the right place, you'll see options related to API keys. Here, you'll have the option to generate a new API key. Generating this key is essential for any external applications you wish to integrate with Wrike. Simply follow the prompts to create a new key. The platform will guide you through any confirmation processes required, ensuring your actions are intentional and secure. Once your API key has been generated, you'll see a new string of characters on your screen. This is your unique API key. It's important to note that API keys are sensitive pieces of information. They're essentially the password that allows applications to interact with your Wrike account. Therefore, copying this key to a secure location is crucial. Use a password manager or a securely encrypted document to store your key safely. This will prevent unauthorized access and protect your integrations from potential security breaches. After securing your API key, you're ready to use it in your integrations. When configuring an application to work with Wrike, there will be an option to input or paste your API key. Ensure that the application you are integrating recognizes and accepts the key. Double-check your integration settings to confirm that everything is set up correctly. Keep in mind, good security practice recommends periodically reviewing your API keys and revoking any that are no longer in use. It minimizes risk and ensures only necessary integrations have access to your Wrike account. And there you have it, a new API key generated and ready to use securely within Wrike. Following these steps will help maintain the security of your account while allowing seamless integration with other tools.